I started, my first touch point was Cloud Code, like in April. It was not great, but it was good. And this whole paradigm shift that suddenly you work in a terminal, it was very refreshing and different. But I still needed the IDE quite a bit because it was just not good enough. And then I experimented a lot with Cursor. That was good. I didn't really like the fact that it was so hard to have multiple versions of it. So eventually I went back to Cloud Code as my main driver. And that got better. And yeah, at some point I had like 7 subscriptions. Like was burning through one per day because I got really comfortable at running multiple windows side by side.
All CLI, all terminal. So like how much were you using IDE at this point?
Very, very rarely. Mostly a diff viewer to actually, like, I got more and more comfortable that I don't have to read all the code. I know I have one blog post where I say I don't read the code, but if you read it more closely, I mean, I don't read the boring parts of code. Because if you look at it, most software is really just like data comes in, it's moved from one shape to another shape. Maybe you store it in a database. Maybe I get it out again. I'll show it to the user. The browser does some processing on a native app. Some data goes in, goes up again, and does the same dance in reverse. We're just shifting data from one form to another. And that's not very exciting. Or the whole, how is my button aligned in Tailwind? I don't need to read that code.